Hey guys, I thought I'd show you these Klipsch, if I'm saying that right, standing speakers. Now these are the RP-280Fs. And you can see I got the magnetic speaker cover off to show you those good looking cones. I love the color of those things. And man, these are pretty good sized speakers, and you know, they're, I don't know what that is, over 4 feet tall. But man, they hit pretty hard. Just so you know what I'm running with them, I'm running a vintage Marantz, and it is a 2252B. So I've been really happy with them. I think they're durable, they're tough, they're clear, they sound good, easy to set up. And again, they have, they're the RP-280Fs. And I'll show you the connections real quick on the back. You can see they're attractive too. They got this kind of, I don't know, dark black wood grain finish, veneer, laminate type thing. And I'll show you the model without showing you any barcodes. There it is, the RP-280F. And I'll show you the connections down here. Those are nice and handy. And you can see the back, whatever that thing is called again. You guys know, I can't remember. But yeah, really nice speakers for the money in my opinion. I'll put a link down below, and I appreciate any likes and subscribes. Hope that helps you guys decide. I've been nothing but happy with them. And man, I think they really sound great with that vintage Marantz. Talk to you guys later. Take care.